I don't know what this thing's problem was, but it looked like it sealed all the way around, but just, I don't know. Yeah, anyway, I've got these tapered seats. I like them. They are really nice. A lot of times if you've got like a sink, it's got a faucet that's got the seats wore out in them. These will seal where the flat ones wouldn't normally. I've had better luck out of them. So I'm going to go ahead and put this one in, and I'm going to see if maybe this might cure the problem. And I know there'll be a user that'll probably comment in, and say you're not supposed to use those tapered seats unless you've got a tapered, seat for a tapered washer, unless you've got a tapered seat for it, which that's true. But I found that those will work also. Alright, well, that's about right. So now I'll go ahead and put this lock collar back on. There we go. And that should do it. Alright, I am back in. And we still got a drip, but it's cold water. Oh, yeah, that fixed it. But, yep. That shuts off real nice. And this one, well, close enough. It always did drip to a stop anyway. I think that it's probably just time for a new faucet. I don't know exactly how old that one is, but I'd say it's probably worn its welcome out. So I'm going to try see if I can do this with one hand. Probably not. Just a little bit more. I've done that before. I said a little bit more one time and wound up stripping out the boss. Oh yeah, it's gonna be fun. Okay, hold on a minute. Okay, I've got that little boss put back on. These are kind of like a universal fit type knobs. I don't know how I'm going to work this because it's got the screw stripped out in it. Okay, well, we'll figure this out in a minute. Let's try this again. Get a knob up. I hear a phone ringing. There's one. Okay, let's see what this is. Hey, hello? Making a video. Right. Okay, yeah, it was another friend of mine. He's having problems with his 91 Ford truck, and I think we're going to wind up putting a harness on it. And I haven't had a chance to get out and look at it yet. And of course I've got the rest of the parts here. Oh, here it is. Well, looks like we're done for now anyway. Alright, I've got all the knobs on it, and you can see it comes on and off just nice and smoothly, just like it's supposed to. Of course, I don't have the knobs even. That's close enough. A 15-minute job turned into an afternoon's worth of labor. So, I'm done. I'm calling it quits. So everyone, have a happy new year, and thanks for watching.